What's up guys? So we just got delivered the ticwatch S2. So that's the box. As you can see here, we swim proof at 50 meters, 48-hour battery life, lightweight design, built-in GPS heart rate sensor. What's in the box? USB charging cable, user manual, and the ticwatch. This is just more where I have. It's just all apps and stuff about that. So yeah, I currently am wearing the first generation ticwatch. It served me well for about a couple of years now. The screen's gone a little bit pinkish, so it's time to upgrade to this. I think a bit of water got into it, so let's unbox it. Rightio, before we go and unbox this thing, if you guys could just get a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future content, it absolutely mean the world to me, and it helps me continue to create stuff like this. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So taking the box off, and then you're greeted by the watch. And now, well, it's actually quite, you've got a little padding underneath it, nice silicone band around it. It's an awesome brand. It's actually, one thing I do notice is actually it's quite a bit heavier and bigger than the previous generation. So we'll get some close-ups, but you can actually see that it's actually quite bigger and a little bit thicker, not too much, but it's quite bigger. Got the heart rate sensor, of course, there. Heart rate sensor there, sorry, that's your charging pins. This is wireless charging. These no longer are wireless charging, they use the contacts, sort of like the MacBook, magnetic copper contacts. Sorry about that guys, the camera died, got a new battery. So pretty much that's all three things in the box, so we'll get rid of that. We've got our paperwork, issue warranty info and all that, maybe a setup guide in here. We've got the USB charger with the copper contacts, USB input, and the watch. Now let's jump straight into it, get this thing on and paired up and see what it's all about.